Hello guys, welcome back to Ctrl Tips, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix a frozen start menu, or the search bar is completely frozen and you're unable to proceed on a Windows 11, and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the solution. And before that, if you're for the first time to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. So let's move to the solution. As I said earlier, the both start menu is frozen as well as the search is frozen, and you will be having this situation sometimes. So the first step is all about how we can fix this up. So we have to restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager. That is the first step, but here we don't have both options, so we're going to talk about how. So you have to press some buttons on your keyboard. So those buttons are Ctrl Shift and Escape. You have to press Ctrl Shift Escape all together on your keyboard, and the problem will be fixed, because when I press Ctrl Shift and Escape, so I'll be having an option like this which is called Task Manager, which you can see on the screen. So from here you just have to scroll down and we have to navigate to Windows Explorer folder. You have to keep on navigate to Windows Explorer folder. Okay, have to navigate to Windows Explorer folder. So you'll be having Windows Explorer, and if you are not having, don't worry. In some cases you will be having it. So what you have to do is, when you're having Windows Explorer, so you just have it is here. So what you have to do is, you just have to right click and you just have to go to resource value. There is an option called resource value, right? So what you have to do is, you just have to right click and you just have to navigate to restart. Okay, go for restart, and once it is done, you just have to close this and you have to check. Sometimes, most probably, you'll be having the options and it will be fixed. Even after trying this out, if in some cases if it's not working, then you don't have to panic. We have one more solution. Simultaneously, if after trying out the first step, if both the keys options are not working, we have one more solution. You have to run the command on your run box. So in order to get the run box, you have to either go over there and search for run command, but you're not having the option, so you have to depend completely solely on the keyboard. So in order to get the run command, you have to press Windows and R key all together. So you'll be getting the run command over here. As you can see, we got the run command. So next is, I'll be providing a link, a command in the description. So you just have to copy paste this command. Okay, and you just have to paste it here and go for OK. So when you go for OK, you will be getting an option like this. Okay, you will be getting an option like this. From here, you just have to navigate to modify, and you have to check whether anything is ticked over here. If it is ticked, you have to untick it. Okay, that is what you have to do. After trying this out, you just have to close this. Then you just have to navigate to advanced option. From here, what you have to do is, you have to go for over here, you just have to check for troubleshoot. Under troubleshooting, there is an option called rebuild. So you just have to click on rebuild. Okay, so rebuilding is the index might take a long time to some reviews, and search result might be incomplete until this. So I just have to go for OK. So those who are having the issue, they just have to go for OK, but here I'm not going to do this. Okay, then you just have to close this, and most probably after trying these simple steps, the issue regarding this will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.